Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This question is from CAT 91 paper. A square piece of cardboard of sides 10 inches is taken and 4 equal square pieces are removed at the corners such that the side of the square piece is also an integer value. So we have a square cardboard of side 10 and from the corners squares pieces in shape of squares are removed. Okay, so let's say these are the squares that we are removing from the corners, and this has to be again integer value. Okay, this is given in the question. The sides are then turned up to form an open box. Then the maximum volume such a box can have is what? So after we have removed these corners, the sides are turned up. That means the portion are folded, okay, to form an open box. So the red line which I am drawing, the cardboard is folded from this line to form the box. So then the maximum volume such a box can have is what? So we need to find the maximum volume. So one thing is very clear, that if the volume has to be maximum, we need to remove the minimum portion from the corners. Okay, so obvious value is, first we would think of 1 because it has to be integer and the minimum value that this can take is 1. So let's say we have removed this small square of 1 inch from every side, right? So 1 inch for this and 1 inch for this. Then the remaining portion with the cardboard is 8, 10 minus 2, right? So if we have removed 1 inch, then the volume of the open box would be what? This would be 8 and this side would also be 8. So 8 into 8 and height is 1 into 1. So this is 64. Now 64 is also given in the option, but it's not the correct choice. Why? Because see, when we are trying to keep something bigger, obviously we think that because we are removing the minimum value from the corners, this part would be bigger. That's true for a 2D dimension, but this volume is dependent on two things, base as well as height. So while we are removing the minimum portion from here and maximizing the base, but because we are removing just 1 inch, the height of this box is also 1 inch now, right? So when in this case, when we are removing just 1 inch, base is maximum but height is getting decreased a bit. So we should try for next possible values as well. So if it has to be an integer, what could be the next possible value? It could be 2 inch. So 2 inch from this corner, 2 inch from this corner. Then the remaining portion would be 6, 10 minus 6. So this part would be 6. Now if this is being the case, then what would be the volume? So volume will be base is 6 and into 6 into, now we have height of 2 inches, right? So 36 into 2, 74, sorry, 72. So see, in this case, when we are removing more, the volume is getting increased. Okay. So we can try for other values as well. So if we have removed 3 inches, then this portion would be 4. So then the volume in that case would be 4 into 4 into height is 3. So this would be 48. Now from hereafter, it will be, volume will always be decreasing when we remove more and more area from the corners. So hence for this question, 72 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.